Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and taking your online classes regularly. So, before we start the new lesson, students, I want to inform you about your pre mid exam and the portion of it. The lesson that will be coming in your exam from your English reader book are the first poem, lesson number 1, lesson number 2, and lesson number 3. The first poem of your English reader book is God Made Them All. Lesson number 1 is The Learned Fools. Lesson number 2 is Run Boy Run. And lesson number 3, The Musician of Bremen. Regarding the date of your pre-midterm exam will be updated to you time to time in the upcoming video and PDF. So students, start your preparation and get ready for the exam. So now students, we will start today lesson number 8, the old woman and the physician. In this lesson, old woman and the physician is the story of old lady and the greedy doctor. Greedy means someone wants money, wealth, power without doing any much effort. So this greedy doctor tried to deceive. So he make a lie to that old woman. So this greedy doctor tried to deceive the old woman in the name of treatment by taking all her belonging, means all the things that is there in her house. Okay. In the name of treatment by taking all her belonging and money. So before we start the lesson, I want to tell you some word that you should know. So in this, a physician who give the treatment of the eye to this old lady. So what we call this type of doctor? We call ophthalmologist. What we call ophthalmologist. The spelling is OPHTHALMOLOGIST. So what you have to do? You have to write it down, this word, and try to pronounce it correctly. Okay. So what we call the doctor? A doctor who specialize in treatment of the eyes. So what we call ophthalmologist. Ophthalmologist. Okay students. So let's start the lesson. First paragraph of your lesson, the old woman and the physician. An old woman lived alone in a big house. So where she lived? She lived alone. Alone means lonely. Nobody is there in that big house. Okay. So an old woman lived alone in a big house. She was very rich. She was very rich. So she had many valuable things in her house. So what is there? Valuable. So many valuable things in her house. So what is the meaning of valuable? Having great value, means the expensive and costly things. So she had many valuable things in her house. She had arranged all the things in the front room of her house. So where she arranged all the things? Where she kept all the things? She had arranged all the things in the front room of her house. In our houses also, a drawing room is there where we kept all the show pieces in that room. So we want to make that room so beautiful and nice. If anybody came in our house, they appreciate it. Okay, the decorative pieces we keep in our that drawing room. So here also, this old woman had arranged all the things in the front room of her house. As she grew older, Okay, because the age, her eyesight got weaker and weaker. So gradually and slowly she not able to see clearly. Okay, so a day came when she became completely blind. So what happened? A day came when she became completely blind. She not able to see anything now. Many physicians came to see her but could not cure her of blindness. Cure means healing. Okay, give the treatment. So many doctors, physician I already told you, the medical doctor. Okay, so many doctors came to see her but could not cure her of her blindness. They give the treatment but nothing give the positive result. Okay, so this old woman felt very sad. Now this old woman felt very sad. She want to see again but nothing happened. So many doctors came but nothing happened. The old woman announced that she would give a huge reward to the person who could restore her eyesight. Now this old woman make an announcement. What the announcement is that? That she would give a huge reward to the person who could restore her eyesight. Restore means bring back. Okay. So she said that any person who could restore her eyesight, I will give a huge reward to that person. Okay. So after the announcement, up to here, I hope you understand the story. Now come to the next paragraph. After the announcement, what happened? One day, there was a man at the old woman's house. So one day, there was a man at the old woman's house. That man said, I am a physician from a far off land, from other city. Okay, I came from other city and I am a physician. I have a special ointment that can cure you. So what he said to that old woman? I have a special ointment. Ointment means a lotion or a smooth oily substance that is rubbed on the skin for medicinal purposes. Okay, some medicine is added to that ointment. So he said to that old lady, I have a special ointment that can cure you, that can heal you. I can make you see again in about a month's time, said the man. So what the man said? That I can make you see again about a month's time. So how much time he gave to that old lady? That in a month's time I can restore your eyesight. Okay, I can make you see again about a month's time, said the man. Now, after listening this word, this old woman said, if you restore my eyesight within a month, so if you restore my eyesight within a month, I will give you a huge reward. So, what she said, that if you restore my eyesight within a month, what you have said now, if you promise me, I will give you a huge reward. But now, this old woman making a condition, put a condition here. Okay, but if you fail to make me see, if you fail to make me see, I will give you nothing. Is that okay? So this old woman said to that man, what you promise me that in a month time you can make me see again. But if you are not successful and your treatment is failed, so what will happen? I will not give you anything. Okay, I will give you nothing. Is that okay? Said the woman, old woman. Okay, students. So till here, I hope you understand the lesson. What you have to do? You have to underline the hard word and clear the meaning of it and understand the lesson till now. I am reminding you again and again that your pre-midterm will be started soon, and the date of pre-midterm will be given in the upcoming video and PDF. So what you have to do, you have to start your preparation and ready for the exam. I already told you the first poem and the three lesson number 1, lesson number 2 and lesson number 3. So start your preparation and the remaining lesson, and what is the lesson is all about and what is the moral of the story we will know in the next online class. Okay students, thank you.